take a look at one of Queensland's most famous natural sightseeing spots, affectionately known as the Waterfall Circuit. So today we're going to take a look at this amazing and compact collection of waterfalls found in tropical North Queensland in a region known as the Atherton Tablelands. In this part of the country, there is an abundance of stunning rainforests and natural scenic areas, and arguably Australia's most concentrated collection of walk-in waterfalls. Now, this area in northern Queensland has a unique geological history, which tells the story of just why there are so many waterfalls located here. Now, a series of volcanic eruptions between several million years ago to less than 10,000 years ago occurred in this region, producing extensive basalt flows, and these flows filled the pre-existing basins and solidified in drainage valleys. Now, subsequent water erosion over time of the softer rocks cut into these valleys, eventually forming many waterfalls throughout this region. Now, if you want more information, I've attached some links below to some really great reading materials if you want to know more. While there are more than 20 different amazing waterfalls to visit in this relatively compact region, 3 are all located in a short 15-kilometer or 9-mile circuit road called Teresa Creek Road, located just off the Palmerston Highway near a town called MILLAA. Now, these 3 falls in our recommended order of visiting are Linja Falls, Zilly Falls, and MILLAA Waterfall. Let's go and take a look. There we go. Really an amazing place to visit, and they're all right by each other too, so super easy. And the reason I said that we recommend doing them in that particular order, it's because MILLAA is your best option of getting in and having a swim if you do wish to at any of these, and by going there last, you'll be dry at the other ones. Just a tip for you. Now, all 3 have parking areas very close to the fall, so there's only short walks involved in each. And in the case of MILLAA, if you be sneaky, you can actually drive down a road that's marked for tour buses and you'll be able to park up right next to where the waterfall is. So depending on what you're actually going for will determine what is the best time of the day to go. For the best lighting for waterfall photography, typically it's widely recommended to go in the middle of the day. The reason for that is waterfalls tend to be surrounded by high terrain, making it easier to get sunlight on them when the sun is directly above. That being said, if you want to go to get great shots with minimal people around, it's best to go as early in the day as you can, close to sunrise. We actually did the full circuit during the middle of the day to get some good footage, but when the sun was up, there was so many people around, so we actually stayed at the MILLAA Caravan Park, which is just down the road from the Teresa Creek circuit, and then we went back to MILLAA Waterfall in the morning and we had it all to ourselves for a little while. It was just magic. Highly recommend. There we go, one of the absolute highlights of the far North Queensland region. Now, if you need any more information about getting there or tips and tricks, there's some links below in the description to help you out. And if you have anything that you think I can help you out with, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help. Now, if you found this video useful, feel free to hit the like button as well as helping out by hitting this little subscribe button here in the bottom corner, and that would be massively appreciated. Thanks all for watching everyone, and we'll see you next time.